はい、皆さんこんにちは。漢字の勉強頑張っていますか？今日は255から259までの5つの漢字を勉強します。レベルは JLPT-N3. You're going to have different kind of JLPT quiz today. 楽しみにしてください。We are going to do a check test before we start. 始める前にチェックテストをします。I want you to see how many you can read before we study. And then we will study together. Then we will check again to see how much you improve. I promise you, if you study with me all the way through, at the end of the video, you will be able to read by yourself. Are you ready? それでは始めましょう。This is how we learn kanji in this video. Our goal is to be able to read new kanjis. If you are interested in writing it, at the end of the video, you have stroke orders as well. This kanji means emotion, feelings, sensation. Radical is kokoro, heart. On is kan. There's no kun for this kanji. This kanji means think, thought. Radical is kokoro, heart. Look at the kanji. You have tree on the left side and the eye on the right side. On is so. Kun is omou. This kanji means to forget. Radical is a heart. Look at the kanji. Above the heart, that kanji means to die, dying. On reading is wo. That's why this kanji's on reading also wo. Kun is wasureru. This kanji means bad, evil, wrong. On is aku. O. Kun is warui. This kanji means certain, inevitable. On is hitsu, kun is kanarazu. Deeply moved, 感動する、感動する。Expression. 友達の話に感動して涙が出た。友達の話に感動して涙が出た。Impressions, thoughts, 感想、感想。Expression. 新しいゲームをしてみての感想は？新しいゲームをしてみての感想は？ This is an expression of expectation or your forecast turn to be correct or incorrect. 予想が当たる。予想が外れる。Expression. A チームが勝つだろうという予想が外れた。A チームが勝つだろうという予想が外れた。Forget. 忘れる、忘れる。彼女の誕生日を忘れてしまった。彼女の誕生日を忘れてしまった。Expression 忘れてしまった That's include your feeling of Oh my god, I can't believe I forgot 忘れてしまった。 Expression body condition is bad. It's not like you're sick, but you feel like a little bit under the weather. You can say 体の具合が悪い。体の具合が悪い。Example 体の具合が悪いので仕事を休んだ。体の具合が悪いので仕事を休んだ。necessary 必要なadjective. Example 傘を持ってくる必要はなかった。傘を持ってくる必要はなかった。desperation 必死。Example 犬に追いかけられて必死で走った。犬に追いかけられて必死で走った。Expression be sure to do something 必ずする。必ずする。Example 明日は必ず午前9時までに来ます。明日は必ず午前9時までに来ます。Step 3 Flashcards Try to remember the meaning of the word and pronunciation. I will say the word, repeat after me. 感動感想予想忘れる悪い必要な必死必ずJLPT quiz. You have 3 questions. For each question, you have 10 seconds to answer. Choose the right answer from the choices. That's it for today. Please subscribe to my channel so that you won't miss any video in the future. I will see you in the next video. また次のビデオで会いましょう。さようなら。